located at Silver City 1, Ortigas East. So ayun guys, I was invited by Sir Gilbert to show you what's inside. So excited na ba kayo kung anong plano nila sa hair ko? So let's go! Hello po! Day po! Hello, good afternoon, Sir Gilbert.
Hi, Miss Chan! Welcome to Ace Dream Salon. Excited to see you here. So, ganito yung gagawin natin, no? Since February ngayon. So, maglalagay tayo ng placement dito. And then here is gagawin natin siyang red. Hindi naman red na red, pero ang reflect is red talaga. Since parang magkakaroon tayo ng problema dito sa dulo, kasi magkakaputol kapag i-bleach natin. So, gagawin natin yung light lang, pero Spanish, no? Since February ngayon, tama-tama yung color na yun. Then, going to summer, mas maganda yung magiging maayos yung